Welcome back. Let me turn my fan off real quick. I hate to do that because that air feels good. At least it's air movement. Okay, let me show you what I'm doing today. Let me turn this phone around. Get the camera over here. Welded in patch for the door handle where the bolt went through. Unfortunately, that warped in two places, up here and right there. Even though I was taking my time, I worked on cleaning as much paint out of the door jamb as I could. Discovered there's another hole there, and another hole, two holes there. Stripped some of the paint off of that, because that stuff is all cracky and peely. Worked on this side of the door jamb somewhat. I don't know what I did with it. This door is completely stripped now. Getting that door handle off for the door latch was a nightmare. They epoxied it on. I ended up having to drill it off. You can see where the window crank was cutting in, door handle was cutting in. This is tore here, so I'm going to have to weld that. Had to drill the rivets out here to get the center bar out. The upper felts are not bad. Not great, but not bad. Come on. I mean, they could be replaced. Should be replaced. But got the headliner out. It's right there. It's all warped. So I'm going to have to look for a new one of those. If you notice this big gaping hole here, that used to be, let me come on this side. Don't look at that. I didn't get the window out of this side yet. That used to be the old latch assembly. So, what I'm doing is come back up here to the front, or the back, whichever way you want to call it. This is the latch assembly, bear claw latch assembly out of the 95 F350. I'm going to use it for this. This piece of metal is really thin, so I'm making it out of thicker metal. What I did to get the dimple indentations, years ago I took a ball joint apart. It's perfect size and shape for dimpling steel for screws. Put it on there, center it up on your circle that you drew out, smack it with a hammer. Gives you a perfect dimple. So I got all three dimpled for the screws, because they're a countersink. So now I just got to go back in. It would be a normally it would be a 9/32 drill bit. I don't have one, so I got to jump up to a 19/64, which is fine. So yeah, I'm going to I cleaned this up as much as I could. There's all kinds of dirt and grime down inside it. And I really don't want to take it apart because of the springs and everything that's inside. A couple of those springs are pretty hefty. Most of it, like this spring here, that's a pretty stout spring. So what I'm going to do, using this, is this will be for the electric actuator. I'll have a cable coming down off of that to the actuator. This will still be for the handle, which is over there. I'd like to see if I can find a longer cable, because my plan is to run it back over to the truck, back and forth, back and forth. I'd like to run it down and make the handle mount down here so that I could just reach down next to the seat to pull it to get out. Either that or just use the electric actuator with a button on the inside and one on the outside somewhere. And then, what did I do with it? I don't know what I did with it. Oh, there it is. And then, I'm going to adapt this plate. And this has got a double wall. And it's spot welded together. This is going to get put in the door. Right about where the factory post was. So, yeah. I'll cut that out, shape it, put it in there. But I want to get the latch assembly put in first because it's stationary, where the post has adjustability. You can see it was adjusted here at one time, adjusted down here at one time. So, yeah, and that's a monster-sized cans of primer. New to those turbo spray system cans. So, I'll be using those. Oh, sorry. About wiped out for today. I did a lot. Worked in the yard, cut down a bunch of weeds, rinsed the car off, and came out here and got busy on the truck. I was like, I need to get on that truck. I need a break from the showers, fixing that. It's just crazy. I did try to straighten this door out. Let's see. I did try to straighten that dent out, not the crease, the dent above it. It just wasn't budging. About the only way I'm going to be able to get that is cut the skin off. And if I cut the skin off, I might as well just hammer the whole damn thing out, crease and all, which I really wasn't planning on doing. And that just triples my workload. Oh yeah, the bottom section right there from that shiny metal spot on the jam, right there, from there down, the bottom window channel had no felt at all in it. So that's why the windows were rattling so bad. And I was going to put the rear window. Oh yeah, I took that out too. I did that the last time I worked on it. But I was going to sell the rear window and stuff because there was nothing wrong with it. I come out here today and the thing has 2 cracks in it. Apparently with the temperature change in the shop from the heat of the day to the coolness at night, it caused it to crack in 2 places. So that's in the trash. But, oh, yeah, kind of running out of steam. I'm trying to keep myself motivated. Got some iced coffee so I can get re-energized a bit. But yeah, I want to get that bear claw latch assembly welded in. And then locate the pin. That's one thing that I did realize is an issue. Let me show you. I'm going to turn the light on. This center brace here comes around and is welded to the old factory piece here. So now I got to come back here and cut it off somewhere back there. I got to figure it out because it hits the new bear claw latch assembly. So, and you have to notch into the door jamb, which kind of sucks, but because if water gets in there, there's nowhere for it to seal in this opening. But all right, I just wanted to, oh dang, forgot to turn that light off. I always do that. Come on. Ugh, blinded by the light. Manfred Mann song. Good song. Anyways, I just wanted to do a video. It's been a while since I've been out here in the shop working, and give you an update of where I'm at, what I'm doing. So, yeah, if that tip about making an indentation helps, give it a shot. Find an old ball joint, tear it apart, and use it. Works great. It's nice and simple. It's got a nice round shape on the bottom of it, so makes perfect dimples. So anyways, that's all for now. Y'all take care, stay safe, and stay blessed. I'm out.